Hello and welcome to Fulda camping event September 2022, and this is a Forster motorhome, a motorhome which costs, as it says there, ab means from in German, 59,600 euros. This is the A699EB, and whereas that does sound like not a lot of money for a motorhome, this one is going to cost 79,000 euros. So it's got one or two extras added on to it, which we'll have a look at in a moment. So EB means Einzelbetten, single beds. So we have two single beds here, which can be joined by the use of this mattress, which will clip in. Actually, clip might be able to do this with one hand. Let's just try. I'm just giving it a go with one hand. I bet everything falls on the ground. Oh, I've done it. There you go. There you go. So more or less, that clips in like that, and you've got space here, you can see, for the ladder to go up. Anyway, I won't leave that there because it'll fall. Somebody might just jump on it. And here, storage under the bed. You've got a stack of space there for as a wardrobe, and on the other side we can find more storage, and down here is the boiler. Boiler is rather useful when it comes to getting hot water and keeping the vehicle warm. Window at either side, window in the roof, and at the back there is storage as well, quite deep, and at the sides as well. What we can do with that one at the sides, a sort of headboard here. Well, not sort of, it is a headboard. And let's come back, and we can actually close this part of the bedroom off from the rest of the van via this screen here. And this screen, it's a cloth screen, and in my opinion, a cloth screen, I know it doesn't look as good as a non-cloth screen, but it's far more practical. It's much lighter to start off with, and so it stops. The aim is to stop people seeing in and out, so it works like that, and it tends not to rattle as much when the vehicle gets old. And it won't rattle now if you bought one, but it might do in a few years. That's why I say that. I always think of the long term as much as possible. Now, I'd have to say that this, for a vehicle which is in the more budget sector, I hate to use the word budget when it costs so much money, but I hope you understand the comparative, the cheaper end of the market. There's a way of putting it. So that is a very nice washroom. Tower fridge from Thetford, with a thing that comes out down here. Now, Forster's now been on the market for 10 years. It was a brand, though it was started by Trigano. Now, Trigano is effectively a financial consortium of motorhome builders, and so it's a group. And now, in most of these companies, they actually acquired who are already motorhome builders. So you could start a motorhome company up, for example, and in 20 years' time, when it's doing really well, you'd sell it to somebody like this, and then you'd go off and retire with the proceeds. That's how many of these companies actually started up. But in the case of Forster, it was done deliberately as the idea being a cheaper brand. How can something be a cheaper brand when it's costing 80,000 euros? Well, yeah, that's the way things work out. But it's very distinctive. It doesn't actually copy other brands within the Trigano group as such. So up here we've got the cab over bed. We've got one window at one side. This here will go up. These vehicles, although it's a German brand as such, these are made in Italy, I understand. So so you can see it's on a Ford. We've got some of the highlights of it here. You can see it's on a automatic gearbox, and that's going to be part of the reason for the additional cost. So if we come here, is that visible? And so the biggest single thing here is the winter packet. No, it isn't. Comfort Line Ford. I thought it was a lot of money for winter packet. 12,000. That's a Ford. It's engine upgrade. It's got an automatic gearbox, which is 2,390, and the drivers and passenger seats have been upholstered, and so that is the reason for all this extra cost. The winter packet will include things such as an insulated wastewater tank. Oh, we've got a kitchen extension, lights here. Oh, there's a big mirror as well. I forgot to mention that one. Let's have a walk around the outside. So it's got a very big garage. Unfortunately, garage. Oh, maybe it's open. Sorry, is this one open? No, it's not. But anyway, it's got a very big garage. Let's go around the other side. So a 7-meter vehicle. I think I said that. 235 wide, 306 at its highest point. So we've got in other designs as well, but you can have to see them in different videos. So I hope you found that of interest. I upload every day at 21:15, and I sometimes upload at other times as well. So if you press the subscribe and the bell, you'll know when I'm also uploading at other times. So I also do live broadcasts. I might do a live broadcast from here, internet permitting, and so that's a reason why to press the bell button. Thanks for being with me, and all the best from me in Fulda, Germany.